What's going on? It's Nick coming at you from the Inferno, Phoenix, Arizona, middle of summer. I'm going to be doing a quick little do-it-yourself on how to take a couple of badges off of the trunk. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it on my brand new 2019 Honda Accord. I'm going to be pulling the Accord badge off along with the touring badge. So the tools, items that I'm going to be using is I have a can of 3M adhesive remover. You can pick this up at Walmart. I think it's like 10 bucks. And basically the approach I do is I'll spray the badges before I try and remove them using some regular dental floss. And then after you actually get the badges off, there's residue normally left behind. So this is where it's a little overkill my way. I've had to pull some serious adhesive off of my Corvette. Historically, like one spoiler that had been on there for like 10 years and some mud flaps that were used with 3M adhesive tape. There was nothing that could get that stuff off, not easily anyways. So I ended up using what's called a 3M eraser wheel, and it made short work of pulling adhesive. So you could absolutely be using your fingers, just kind of rubbing back and forth on the leftover adhesive, but since I have the tool, I'm going to use it. And then once I'm done, just take some detailer. This is just some regular Meguiars detailer that I've diluted and clean up. So with that in mind, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on the touring badge. So I'm just going to spray some 3M adhesive remover liberally in that area, and I'm going to go ahead and also spray the Accord badge. And I'm just going to let that sit for a couple of minutes, let it soak. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. So I'm going to come at these badges and just work my way across them. I should start my time here. This one's about to come off. And there we go. One down. That one was pretty clean. Now we gotta do the letters and the numbers. Okay. One more down. Okay. Last one. Well, you never know what challenges you're going to get in Arizona with the heat. My phone got so hot while I was videotaping that it actually shut down. So I'm going to pick up from where I left off with the wheel over there, but you can see it, it got the job done. I'm going to clean up that area. This is what remains here from the Accord badge. And what I'm going to do is spray a little bit more 3M adhesive remover and then work this with the wheel. And then I'm going to actually take a clay bar. Alright, so on this side, after soaking the adhesive remover, I just used my fingers and it came off super easy. You can still see, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, we can still see just a silhouette of the Accord in the clear coat, so I'm going to go grab a clay bar and work on getting this out. Alright, so I'm going to spray a liberal amount of detailer here. Got my little helper. That is helping me work on the car. Same deal. I'm going to spray this, and in this area here, I'm just going to work the clay back and forth. I'm going to knead it a little bit and keep going until I get rid of that silhouette. Alright, so that is it. I just got done cleaning up, and this is the finished result. There's still a little bit of silhouette left even after hitting it with the clay bar. So the only way to get that out of the clear coat is I'm going to have to hit it with Meguiars M105 compound, and then follow that up with Meguiars M205 polish. And after doing that, I'll want to, hey bud, you got my helper here. I will want to seal that, and it should be good to go. Did this on my wife's car when we got, pretty much always take the badges off whenever I get a car. But like the look and how it has the nice symmetry with just the single badge. So that is my approach toward how I debadge a car. Alright, so that is going to wrap this episode of It's Just a Honda Accord up. The next mod that's coming down the pipe is likely going to be thrown on the OEM spoiler or body side molding. I'll take a look at the instructions and then look at what the temperature is going to be and make a decision on which one I think I can get done quicker.
This is a Honda. This is